Hello students, today we are going to perform experiment number 6 and your aim of the experiment is you are given 0.1 normal KOH solution. Determine the strength of given X normal HCl in terms of normality and grams per liter. So again you have a simple acid base titration. In that KOH is base known as potassium hydroxide and HCl as an acid is hydrochloric acid. So requirement which you needed for this experiment is burette, pipette, it's a 10 ml pipette, conical flask, burette stand, beakers, funnel, and the chemicals which you needed is you have 0.1 normal KOH solution and the unknown concentration of HCl which you have to find with the help of titration method. So here we start with our procedure. First of all, clean all the apparatus with water. You have to clean burette. So first we have to clean burette with water like this way. After burette, you have to clean pipette. After that, conical flask. So after washing your apparatus with water, you have to rinse the burette with KOH solution. So here we are rinsing the burette with the KOH. And we rinse pipette with the HCl. Now we will fill burette with the help of funnel with KOH solution. So first of all we have to remove air bubble from the burette. And after that we will set our 0 mark. So here we set lower meniscus at 0 level. Now we will take 10 ml HCl with the help of pipette and transfer into a clean conical flask. After adding HCl into conical flask, we will add 2 drops of phenolphthalein as an indicator and we titrate this solution against KOH solution till we get a permanent pink color. So as you can see, the pink color which appear, it immediately goes disappear, which means that our neutralization process is not done yet. Right, so this is our end point and it's a permanent light pink color, and our burette reading is, so as you can see, our burette reading is 8.2. And how will you measure it? You can see there is a lower meniscus of this solution is at second division, right? So you know that there is a LC of burette is 0.1 ml. So each division has 0.1 ml value, so that your burette reading is 8.2 ml. Now we will fill our burette reading into our observation table, right? So first we have initial reading, and as you know, initial reading will be your 0.0 ml, right? And final reading means the reading which you get after titration, that is your 8.2 ml, right? And the difference is your final reading minus initial reading. So 8.2 minus 0.0, it will be your 8.2. Here also we assume that if you are performing a 3-time titration and you will get the same reading. So you have to write down the same reading in your observation table. So as your difference is 8.2 and that is your constant value, so you have to write down here 8.2 as your constant value, and you have to put this value into your statement. So what you have, 8.2 ml of 0.1 normal KOH is required for complete neutralization of 10 ml x normal HCl, right? Now we will find the normality and grams per liter of HCl. Again we have a simple formula, N1V1 is equals to N2V2, right? So here what, N1 is equals to normality of KOH, which you have already given in your aim, and it is 0.1 normal. V1 is equals to volume of KOH is equals to your burette reading, and that will be 8.2 ml. N2 is equals to normality of HCl, which you have to find out, and V2 is equals to volume of HCl, and it is 10 ml. So here you have to write down 0.1 into BR upon 10. So what is your BR? 0.1 into 8.2. Means your burette reading is 8.2 divided by 10. Right? So what is your normality? You get your normality is 0.082 normal. Right? So you get the normality of HCl is 0.082 normal. After that, you have to find out grams per liter of HCl, right? So grams per liter is equals to normality into equivalent weight. So you get the normality of HCl is 0.082 normal, right? And the equivalent weight of HCl is 36.5. So you get grams per liter is equals to 2.99 grams per liter. It means 2.99 gram of HCl is dissolved in 1 liter solution, right? After that you have result table. So you have to find out the solution HCl normality and grams per liter, right? So what did you find? HCl's normality is 0.082 normal and grams per liter is your 2.99 grams. So this is your final result table.